let's break down a study on a drug offering new hope for a devastating genetic disorder.
So what is spinal muscular atrophy, or SMA? It's a tragic disease that affects infants, causing muscle weakness.
For the most severe type, life expectancy without help breathing is brutally short, often under 2 years. Basically, their physical development just stops. You can see why a breakthrough was so desperately needed.
The root cause is a faulty gene, SMN1, but we all have a backup gene, SMN2, that's just waiting to be fixed.
And that's exactly where the drug Nusinersen comes in. It's a really clever piece of genetic engineering. Think of it like a software patch. It helps that backup gene finally produce the vital protein that's missing.
Okay, so the big question is, does the theory actually work? A major clinical trial was set up to find out.
In the INDEER trial, some infants got the real drug and others were given a placebo, or a sham procedure.
Researchers were watching for two main things: improvements in motor skills and, of course, survival.
And get this, the results were so clear, so positive, they actually had to stop the trial early. It was that good.
Over half the infants on the drug showed motor improvements. In the control group, 0, not a single one. This meant infants were gaining head control, rolling over, some could even sit up on their own. For infants on Nusinersen, the risk of death or needing permanent ventilation dropped by 47%.
That led to a huge difference in survival. 84% in the treatment group were alive versus just 61%.
And if you look only at the risk of death, it was 63% lower. I mean, that's just life-saving.
So what does this all mean for the families going through this? And what about safety?
Well, the treatment group actually had fewer serious side effects and were way less likely to stop the treatment. Now, we have to be clear, this isn't a cure, but for a disease with 0 options, it's absolutely transformative. The study also found something else that's critical. The earlier an infant was treated, the better their outcome was. The researchers themselves said it plainly, starting this treatment as early as possible is absolutely key. Which leaves us with a final, crucial question. How do we get this to every infant who needs it, right at birth?